There's a pretty obvious dent in the door of this Kia. So I'm going to remove it with some PDR paintless dent removal tools. I wanted to use my pick tools to remove this because it's on a body line and there's usually some easy access to it through this, but there's actually a piece on the inside of the door you can see there, and that goes right over the top of the dent, and I can't really get underneath that piece, so what I'm going to do is only use glue pulling to fix this dent. I use this line board because when the dent gets smaller when you're fixing it, it gets harder to see when it's like really tiny. I'm heating the dent up because it makes the paint softer and it makes the metal easier to move. That's a lot of glue. Didn't need to put that much on. Yeah, it's not PDR glue. Maybe I'll get that sometime. This is just like regular white glue, stick glue. It still sort of works, but I have used real PDR glue. Sometimes it works twice as well than this stuff. Alright, let's try it. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. So this is the body line, and that's where I put the tool. You can see how the lines are going together at that point, so that's a high spot. And right here, there's still a dent, and it's kind of more on the top side. I didn't put it directly on top of the crease, I put it on the bottom. It's probably half the size of what it was before. I'm going to pull that out, and when it's all pulled out completely, I'll tab down the highs. This is a smaller tab, so hopefully it stays on. It's also harder to get the tab on the dent because you can't really put it straight on the body line because it's not flat. So I'm just like working around it. When there's glue stuck on here, I just use isopropyl alcohol. The higher content, the better. This is 91% isopropyl alcohol. It's being difficult to remove, so this stuff is good. Is there a dent there anymore? Okay, the dent is still there. It's a lot smaller, I think. And I'm going to tap down the high spots and then do another pull. For what equipment I have in my skill level, this is the best I can do. Even though it's obviously visible with this, you can still kind of see it. Like if you run your finger on it, there's just a little divot on the body line, and that's all. It's really hard to pull out the metal on a body line. There's one more dent on this car I want to fix. So here's that other dent. This dent feels really sharp in the middle. Like it's a perfect, like someone took a needle almost and put it there and just hit it with the hammer, and it has like a needle point middle, so I don't know. I'll probably not even be able to get the very middle of this part out, so let me see what I can do though. I've got good news. I think it looks like it pulled all of it out, even the sharpest part in the middle. So I might be able to get this one looking perfect. Yeah, I only did one glue pull on that. It's near perfect. I could like go even further, because if you look really closely, there's like a tiny dent right there, but like look at that. That's probably 2 or 3 times the size of a orange peel. That's like this is orange peel, you see? And that's like nothing. You cannot see it from here or anywhere, and all you can see right now is the sort of scratched up part. So I'll polish that and it'll be fine. So yeah, that one is perfect, I think. This is the final result. You can still see the dent in the door, but it is way less noticeable. And this other dent is pretty much just totally lost in this area somewhere. But if you looked really closely, you could find it. But it is like somewhere, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that other dent is gone. This dent is so close to gone. It turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with it, yeah. Hopefully I can improve my PDR skills in the future, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.